Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Tonight we are going to make lemon pepper salmon fillets in the Ninja air fryer. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Actually, I have 4 fillets. It's already been pre-seasoned, but I do want to go over the ingredients that I used. Black pepper, lemon pepper, of course. We're using some Old Bay. You need a lemon, olive oil, cayenne pepper, which is optional, garlic powder, and paprika. Okay, I placed the 4 fillets inside of the Ninja air fryer. I'm going to set the timer at 390 for 20 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, I'm going to flip them. Okay, this is the finished product. Been in the air fryer on 390. I'm going to squeeze some juice on it, some lemons, if I can get any juice out of this lemon. And then we're just going to coat it as such. How does that look, you guys? Does that not look good? I know y'all want me to take a sample of it. So let's get a piece of this for you. Very easy, that breaks apart. This turned out delicious, seasoned perfectly. Try the recipe. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and family, hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified on my next upload. You know I got to give me some hot sauce on this one. Doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? So until then, God bless you and have a wonderful evening.